Our friends from Digital Walker, one of the country's largest retailers of premium consumer technology products, sent us the latest TWS earbuds from SoundPEATS. The SoundPEATS H1 features a hybrid dual drivers to give users a premium sound, advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology, and a long battery life. The SoundPEATS H1 is now offered with a special promo price of $3,790 from its original price of $4,290. Now available online through their Digital Walker website and its official e-commerce store on Shopee. Let's check out the contents of the SoundPEATS H1 and then we'll share our thoughts about it. The SoundPEATS H1 sound quality is by far amazing and immersive, especially if you are listening to music, watching videos, and online gaming. You get an impressive charging case that offers wireless charging capability and more battery to charge the earbuds for longer use. Although it does really block the ambient noise outside, we would recommend you be cautious using it outdoors, especially if you're commuting or walking. Overall, our experience on the H1 is really outstanding. We like the sound quality, fit and comfort, wireless charging, battery life of the earbuds, battery indicators, touch control features such as game mode and voice assistant, extra ear tips, fast pairing, and seamless connectivity to any device. The price may be a little expensive for you even if it retails with a promo price of $3,790. But you're investing on TWS earbuds that will give you a really upright sound experience either for your music or movies. Thank you for watching our review. Please follow and support us by subscribing to our channel.